Alright, what we got here is we got one of these fancy goddamn dancy shower heads. Look at this son of a bitch. Turns blue when it's cold. Now, if you get the temperature just right, if the temperature just get just right. Hold up. Temperature just right. Now watch this shit. It's gonna change colors on you. Watch this shit. We were waiting for about 40 fucking minutes. There it goes. It should be changing in a minute, man. It's getting warm, man. There we go, look, green. That's when you take a shower. And we got one more, red. That's when you don't. Fuck. Ain't that fucked up? That means it's too hot, motherfucker. Haha.